Coming back to Kiangan brought a lot of good memories when I was still a young boy, up to when I was a young man. We would usually come here, and as we joined the parade this morning, we passed by some of the very memorable places that I remember and cherish so much. I remember the heritage, the old house of the Bagilats as we were passing by. The former mayor and former governor of Ifugao, the former mayor of Kiangan, Teddy Bagilat, is my first cousin. And so while we were passing by their house, it brought a lot of good memories. And also, a while ago it was pointed out, the old house of my grandfather, Felix U. Browner Sr., when he was the superintendent of schools here in the province of Ifugao. I also saw the school where my father and my uncles and my aunties went to, the Ifugao Academy. So really, coming back here to this place is very memorable and very meaningful for me. But ladies and gentlemen, today, let me bring you back to the reason, very reason why we are all gathered here. This celebration 80 years ago, in these mountains, General Tomoyuki Yamashita made his last stand. And here, on September 2, 1945, Filipino guerrillas, sons of these very ridges and valleys, cornered him and brought an end to the Japanese occupation. Tomorrow, I will also be going to Camp Janhe in Baguio City to attend the commemoration of Victory Day, when General Yamashita was brought to Camp Janhe for the formal surrender. So tomorrow I will be there to celebrate with the Ambassador of the United States, Her Excellency Mary Kay Carlson. So in this rhyme, this morning we had a wreath laying ceremony.